$500 computer? Yeah, it works pretty good. Today, we're gonna be building what we believe is the best gaming PC under $500. Ladies and gents, here's the parts list. Go ahead, pause the video, take a look so you can see all the parts that we have used, playing most, if not all. Okay. I got it, we're good. Oh, all right, let's keep recording. Also, all the links to the parts will be posted in the video description below. All right, let's get building. Stay tuned at the end of this video to see how this computer games and also for a special announcement. Whoa! Look at that. It's here, it's $500, and it's only $500, and it's $500. We're gonna match this up to a 4090. Just kidding. Let's see how it games. Game's pretty good. If you like this PC and you want this exact one, it is currently listed up on our website, so get it quick. Again, all the parts are listed in the description below. Overall, solid build. All around, I mean, for 500 bucks, you really can't beat it. Let us know if we should make more of these videos. Maybe next time we'll do a $1,000 build or $1,500. I don't know. Hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.